Welcome to Infotube USA. In today's episode, we'll dive into the world of lithography machines and how they revolutionize chip manufacturing. We'll discuss China's recent breakthrough in domestic lithography technology and explore ASML's cutting-edge EUV machines, including the upcoming high numerical aperture. Lithography machines are the core equipment of lithography technology, and they play a crucial role in the semiconductor manufacturing process. These machines determine the chip manufacturing process and performance level, which is why their technological advancements are significant. Recently, China has made significant progress in developing domestic lithography machines. These machines have the potential to greatly improve the independence and performance of Chinese-made chips. The breakthrough will help China manufacture chips with processes ranging from 90 nanometers to 28 nanometers, which is a considerable achievement. ASML, a Dutch company, is a world leader in the development of EUV lithography machines. These machines use extremely narrow beams of light to carve intricate patterns onto silicon wafers, creating the transistors that power modern electronics. ASML's EUV machines are used by leading chipmakers like TSMC, Samsung, and Intel to manufacture some of the most advanced chips in the world. ASML is currently developing a new version of its EUV machine, dubbed Numerical Aperture. This next-generation machine is designed to enable chipmakers to build even more sophisticated chips to power the future of electronic devices. High numerical aperture equipment will provide a greater resolution, enabling 1.7x smaller-sized chip attributes and also 2.9x raised chip density. The initial high numerical aperture equipment is presently undergrowth, with very early gain access anticipated in 2023. Chipmakers will certainly have the ability to make use of these machines for their research and development initiatives in 2024 as well as 2025. High-volume manufacturing utilizing high numerical aperture equipment is expected to begin in 2025. The high numerical aperture EUV machine will certainly enable chip suppliers to produce chips with features listed below 3 nanometers, surpassing the capabilities of existing advanced chips. This will certainly enable a lot more reliable manufacturing of extra-effective chips, in addition to faster turnaround times and also better process versatility. High numerical aperture EUV makers will certainly come with their very own collection of obstacles and also prices. These machines will certainly need complex new lens modern technology and also are anticipated to set you back at $300 million each, which is twice as much as existing EUV equipment. The developments in lithography modern technology, both in China and at ASML, are positioned to have a significant influence on the global semiconductor industry. The capacity to produce smaller-sized, much more powerful chips will certainly drive advancement in electronics and other industries that count on innovative handling capacities. As China remains to make progress in lithography, it may end up being a lot more self-sufficient in chip production, potentially reshaping the global supply chain and minimizing its reliance on foreign modern technology. The development of next-generation EUV machines, like ASML's high numerical aperture, is vital for the production of next-generation tools. These advancements will certainly enable the production of even smaller-sized and much more effective chips, which subsequently will certainly result in quicker, much more reliable, and feature-rich smartphones, computer systems, and also other electronic tools. As China makes strides in its residential lithography innovation and companies like ASML continue to press the borders of EUV makers, we can expect to see raised competition and also cooperation within the global semiconductor market. This will likely lead to a lot more rapid improvements in technology, profiting consumers and also organizations alike. The future of lithography technology is incredibly amazing, as improvements like China's innovation as well as ASML's high numerical aperture maker promise to change the chip production process. These advancements will eventually cause extra effective, as well as feature-rich tools, changing the method we live, function, and also communicate. That's all for today's episode of Infotube USA. If you appreciated this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative video.